Leather station pony. High quality, made of high quality beechwood and aluminum alloy. The surface is treated with wax oil. Easy to use, rotatable 360 degrees in any direction for adjustable working height and angle. Easy to install, adjustable desktop thickness from 0 to 55 mm with threaded rod for secure fixation. Widely used, complete accessories, very suitable for sewing mobile phone cases, belts, bags, wallets and other leather items. Save your time, effectively frees hands for sewing, saving time.